No ababwatani agati yabo aborokia kurwa sekte Kisemi banyara ko bagusira omoroberio omuya bwe Kisemi CBC asabange babo batebire nigo nyare ko bagukobeka obosera obotingo bokia ase Kisemi cyo bagukwana somo yega bokobekero kigutu ase skuru ya Kisii Embassy nigo moroki wago somorokia omonene bwe skuru ye eno kumurira boigo airari bagerio ko baganiria abana bonsi bali bagento ko bakwyaligania samatemo manene amaya nabo nigo musakyo itomangana maya podinali sakama nyara ko bagwikirana somo yego yona gotwariganiria orobotiro kubwatia
nigo ekoba omogoko ekero abaibori bakorora abana bagokolia buya ase Kisemi aseboigo aborokia bakogokera amatunda yoborokia bwabo.
You've done a very good work and I know that you already well equipped with your teachers to go to grade 1, right? You already equipped to go to grade 1 and I know that your limit will be the sky.
Skuru ya Kisii Embassy Academy nigo yatwara omoyega bokubachengera aborokiwa abo ba PP2 bagochikogenda grade 1 omwaka ogocha.
I'm Millicent Olwocho leader, PP2 teacher at Kisii Embassy Academy. We have been having a graduation this day and it has been very successful. It has been a long journey since the beginning of preschool, since we started playgroup PP1 and right now we are in PP2. The children have graduated so well. They are now moving to grade 1 and I hope the teacher concerned will take care of the learners.
Nonya nabo amakongu naro aborokia bagwetera chingaki kyoborokia bwabo.
My name is Nicholas from Kisii Embassy Academy. I'm a teacher of CBC. Many challenges we are having in CBC. One, our children are not having enough books. The books are not enough. CBC is here to stay with us, but the books are not enough. So we are just requesting parents and the management of all around in all schools to get their children the books to enable this CBC to proceed.
Kukwanera omorobeli o CBC nigo omwalimu monene we skuru eyo ateba skuru eyo ebegete emerobeli okwenekia una ngoikirania bale ebirengo beigoro bya Kisemi.
Name is Enoch Murira, the current head teacher in this institution which is called Kisii Embassy Academy. Everything that you require, everything. We have the modern laboratory, we have modern classes, we have the facilities that are required as per the curriculum and as per the government of Kenya.
Boigo na kwanera amakongu ao chiskuru chigwetera ase ogoikirania omorobelio yo.
From in our public schools there is a cry. There is a shortage number of teachers and the learning areas are many. So you find one teacher is handling 5 learning areas, is handling 6 learning areas, which may not be practical and which may not produce good results in future. To wish the candidates for grade 6 success and the class 8 who are going to sit for their KCPE.
Nere omo director we skuru eyo na kwanera obokonyi bakorwa gochia sabana.
We even support a number of children here. Even now, you look at our class 8, you will find that we have around 4. Either the parents passed on, na watoto walikuwa hapa, tukaamua tuendelee na hao watoto.
Aboigo omageni wesko nigo nere atogia omorobero CBC, na goteba buna nigo ole wenge nchomono.
Let me tell you today, hao watoto wa CBC ambao unaona hapa, even in your own home, kama umewaangalia vizuri sana, you must see a difference between a CBC learner and 844 learner. You are going to stay home with your kid for 2 months. Kindly take care of that child that we are giving you.
Kolipoteri ya Ndizi TV, incheri atana porinaris, akama.